What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. While I was in Mooresville, I twisted Jamie's arm and I got us inside behind the scenes. We're about to go right in there behind the scenes at Kooks Headers. So if you're ready, let's roll.
Usually they get this thing out during the car show, the Kooks Cruising.
Okay, yeah.
Right, so this is a dragster that Papa Cook built.
Wow. And he's the founder of Kooks Headers, obviously, right? Man, this is freaking awesome. You know you're in the right place where in the lobby there's like a dragster. Oh, hold on, we got water. Okay, sorry about that, y'all. But you got just some of the articles written about
all the builds that we've done over the years, and
wow.
All the racing history that leads into all the Kooks products that actually go out to the public.
Sure.
This is where it all stems from.
Wow. That's amazing. Now, what is this big block Chevy?
It's a big block Chevy.
Okay.
On alcohol.
Crazy.
Papa Cook built this thing.
Huh.
From the ground up.
Wow. With the gauges there, that is crazy.
That's just an art piece.
Yeah.
I get out every now and then and do some burnouts in it.
I bet it makes nice, long, smoky burnouts. All right, so Jamie, you're leading the way. Where are we going now?
All right, so we'll step back into the facility here.
All right, we're going behind the scenes. Here we go. All right, boys.
So here you go. So
wow.
Grab some safety eyes. And
we got to protect the eyes.
Yeah.
And, yeah. Got all kinds of stuff.
It's kind of loud in here. We'll let Joey narrate this a little better.
Okay, perfect.
This is his house. My house is obviously the R&D facility.
Yeah.
Joey can give us a little better idea of what goes on up here.
Okay, sweet. All right, so we're going to put on our eye protection, y'all. So this is racing development.
So right through here is inside of our collector cell. This is where we're making all of our collectors from scratch. We'll cut the pipe ourselves, go through our processes right here.
Wow.
We don't have any being made right now, but you can kind of see this is what the pipe will actually start out as.
Okay.
Those are just welded up. That's where you just keep it racked. But
gotcha.
let me see if we have any process. So all those machines are collector machines. Right now he's going through laser cutting. What we'll cut is all of our flanges. So all of our flanges,
okay. Yeah.
We used to purchase outside, and that kind of kept us at the mercy of our distributors.
Sure.
To where we were limited, we had to wait on them, the manufacturers, pretty much our headers. Now we're making them all in-house to where, as soon as we can cut them, we can pretty much put them together.
Yeah.
So,
no way. So these are all just cut flanges here.
It's cut out, and pretty much these right here, you can kind of feel them. They're a little rough. Mm-hmm. But what we'll do is we'll run them through our time saver to get them all smoothed out.
Okay.
Straighten them out through our straightener. Get them all, straight as possible.
So this is where all the tubes get bent.
Yeah.
Okay.
So pretty much we get our tubes in pre-cut lengths of about 20 to 21 feet. We'll roll cut everything. Right now he's rolling them out. But pretty much our machines will leave a cone shape, if you will, where you can kind of see it.
Okay.
Where it's kind of rolled over.
Nice. Very nice. This is pretty stuff. Very nice stuff.
Oh, yeah. That's some of the quality that you're paying for in Kooks.
Yeah.
Right? So the quality of the stainless that we build all of our stuff out of, that's why you have to pay what you get. What he does next is he smooths it out.
Yeah.
That way it fits over the mandrel.
Wow.
And pretty much what it'll do is it'll get fit over that mandrel rod right there. this is, I guess, half the entire back wall is all of our fixtures, but every single job that we do has a fixture.
Gotcha.
And now each fixture, depending on if it's a header fixture or a exhaust fixture, can take up to 3 different parts. So if it's an exhaust, it could have, you know, an off-road catted or a green catted system.
Yeah.
If it's a header, it could be an 1 3/4, 1 7/8, or a 2-inch header. So it's variable. So
yeah. So you got a lot of.
Yeah. So you could. This could actually be 1,000 parts worth of fixturing, even though it's only, let's say, 400 fixtures.
So they all have to fit in there to get made, and you got all your raw pipe right here.
Exactly. So these are all bends, and what they'll do is they'll go through processing after they've been bent.
Nice.
Whenever they're ready. So this is all staged to go through prep. As you can see, they're marking right here, trimming it, getting it ready to go to either prep or CNC or welding. So
gotcha.
they're marking on their parts right here. They'll cut all these and get them ready to go to welding, to where they can finish the job pretty much.
Gotcha.
So we'll walk over here. These are just some of our IO machines where they'll do some of the forming. So this particular one just does some of the reducing, where some of our slip fits are made. These are some of our tools. You can see, so we make some of our torquer flares, torquer balls, all kinds of things here. This is where we do all of our CNC operations. Obviously.
Oh, wow.
We've got our 3 CNC, so what we'll be doing here, right here, what we'll actually be doing is cutting this X section off. It's just normally the way we used to do this before we started using our CNCs is bandsaw cutting it, and it's really hard to cut a straight line. So this way it makes it so much easier, and we can get such a better, straighter weld. I mean, it just makes it almost a perfect piece versus kind of eyeing it out. You know what I mean? Which
exactly.
It's not bad, but it just makes it makes the flow a lot better too. You're not gonna be heavier on one side versus the other, you know?
Exactly. All right, so this is the robot weld right here.
Yes, sir.
Man, that's amazing. What header is this application is this for?
This is a Corvette.
Corvette?
It looks like a C6. Yes.
Man, that's freaking beautiful. Very nice. And this is the machine here that does all that?
Yes, sir.
That is some pretty freaking badass welding right there, boys. Unreal. Very cool. Jeez. Okay, so this is a fresh sheet out of the laser, and these are just the ball and socket. Yeah. Looks like
right, yeah. This is our basic. This is what pretty much every single one of our exhaust or our 2-bolt connections at least. Ones that aren't socket connections that get our
very cool. Man, that thing cuts out massive sheets of.
Oh yeah.
How big is this sheet of aluminum?
What is it? 120 by 96.
Wow.
Stainless.
Oh, stainless. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. That is
grade stainless. This is not a.
Oh, okay. It'll pop right out. Look at that. Perfection every time. this is kind of the final assembly area.
Yeah, pretty much.
So they've got the bare pipes, and then they've got flanges, and then the signature cone in the header.
Exactly.
And
Nice. Everything's getting assembled through here, start to finish.
awesome.
Pretty much everything processed, start to finish here, and then we'll walk it through.
So they have the pipe here, and then they've got the collector, and that basically all comes together in the jigs right there.
That's it.
And then you end up with gorgeous set of headers. All right, guys, so I had to give a big shout out to Joey and Jamie for giving us this behind the scenes tour of the Kooks facility. You can actually see the process, what it takes to do this right here in North Carolina. 100%. You just got to see it made in the USA. That's why you support these companies making it right here, jobs, I mean, industry here in the United States, and making our cars faster.
That's right.
You know?
Everything right here in house.
Exactly. Top quality products. You're going to get the most power out of it. They're going to last for freaking ever.
Well,
I mean,
if you don't modify them yourself, we have a lifetime warranty on all of our headers, right? So if you don't cut, beat, and bang, and we cover them for a lifetime.
Exactly. And they stand behind them, guys. It doesn't get any better than that. Huge shout out again to Kooks Headers and Exhaust for having us down here. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. I'll have more badassery for you next time. Later.